Okay, we're in session of cause number 330-156. Case is style of State of Texas versus Giovanna Del Rosario Ventura. Is that your full name? How you doing, Miss Ventura?
Okay.
That's good. Now, Miss Ventura, you had court set earlier today, felony court in the 252nd District Court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what did they, what happened in that case?
They just told me that I need to get a lawyer and to come back in 30 days.
Okay, did they give you a reset date?
Yes, September, I believe 14th, 13th.
September 13th? Okay, now this case is gonna be reset till the same day, September 13th of 2021. Now, when you come back on that day, you need to appear in this court, inform the bailiff that you're here, then go down to the felony court, take care of that, then come back here. Okay, because if you fail to come back here, your bond is gonna be forfeited because your case was not completed. All right, so your case is being reset September 13th, 2021. This will conclude your case. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman.
Okay.
All right, and you may be excused once you get your reset from the clerk over there, or at least from the court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
All right. Okay, now, in cause number 310760, the court has been informed that, oh, no, it's not that. Okay, this is Mr. Gregory Jackson. Mr. Gregory Jackson was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's announcement docket, which started at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 16th of 2021. Mr. Gregory Jackson's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door at or about 9 a.m. Mr. Jackson did not answer. Mr. Jackson has not appeared in court since the court has been in session since 9 a.m. And the time now is 1:39 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Gregory Jackson? Gregory Jackson's name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Gregory Jackson did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Jackson an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would move for a capias and a bond forfeiture at this time.
That will be granted. Gregory Jackson's bond in cause number 310760 will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for his arrest. On who? Oh, the court has been informed that Mr. Jackson is in the hospital. So the court is going to get confirmation of that. So the court will hold off a bond forfeiture on that. State, do you have any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Okay. We're in session on the court's pretrial conference plea docket, which was scheduled on today's date of August 16 of 2021 at 9 a.m. in County Court at Law Number 2. Our final case that we have on that docket is cause number 328386. The case is styled Ashira to Taya Jones. Let me repeat that. Askira Tatiana Jones. Ms. Jones was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's pre-conference and plea docket. And Ms. Jones' name was called at or about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. She did not answer. She has not appeared in court since the court's been in session since 9 a.m. The time now is 1:42 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Askira Jones? Askira Jones' name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Askira Jones did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Jones an opportunity to appear in court, and she has not appeared in court. State, do we have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would move for a capias and a bond forfeiture at this time.
That motion will be granted. Askira Jones' bond will be forfeited in cause number 328386. A warrant shall be issued for her arrest. Okay. This will conclude the calling of the court's trial docket, pretrial conference and plea docket, and the announcement docket. All was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 16th of 2021 in County Court of Law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Randall, we had another one? Oh, okay. Let me, okay, we're in session in cause number 311900. Cases style of state of Texas versus Nicholas James Randall. Nicholas James Randall was scheduled to be in court for the court's trial docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of August 16th of 2021. Nicholas Randall's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door at or about 9 a.m. And Nicholas Randall did not answer. Nicholas Randall has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 1:45 p.m. on today's date. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Nicholas Randall? Nicholas Randall's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Nicholas Randall did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Randall an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would request a capias and bond forfeiture at this time.
That motion will be granted. Nicholas Randall's bond in cause number 311900 will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest. And this will conclude the calling of the trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and the announcement docket in County Court of Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding.
Thank you, Judge.